Hi, my name is David. Today we're going to do a CSS Flexbox tutorial on freeCodeCamp. We're going to learn about the flex shrink property. So in previous exercises, we learned about properties that change the container for the display flex. If we look at this HTML, we see a box container and two boxes elements was inside of it. So we previously changed properties for the container where we had display flex. But we can also change these elements inside the container, such as these two boxes. And one of them is flex shrink. And we use it when the flex container is too small for the size of the elements inside of it. And what it will do is that items will shrink when the width of the parent container is smaller than the combined widths of all the flex items within it. And they take in a number as a value. And the value, these numbers are how many times it will shrink. So if we have one item with a flex shrink of 1 and the other item has a flex shrink of 3, the one with the value of 3 will shrink 3 times as much as the other. So we see here that the width of this box 1 has a 100% container width, and this width 2 has 100%. So they can take up the entire container by themselves, and flex shrink will shrink them. So we'll give a box 1 a value of flex shrink of 1. Flex like that. And now let's give the box 2 a shrink of 2. So this one will shrink twice as much. So this will take up 75%. This will take up 25% as opposed to 50-50. And there we go. And that'll be it for this one. Thank you so much.